Hello everybody, welcome to my stock channel. Hope you had a great weekend and let's review entire stock market including Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto and commodities, and please hit the like button before you go further. Only takes you 1 second to hit the thumbs up button. That's all I'm asking. Posting daily videos and at least you can do this and share this with your friends and family. All right, so let's review S&P 500. This is left side, those who are new. These are for day trading, left side chart, and right side is for daily chart for swing trading. And we'll review both charts to make the right decision and see how market does. So we'll start with the basically cycle chart, and this is S&P 500 cycle chart. It's doing perfectly as we were thinking. It topped out around here, 8th of April. Now it's in a declining phase. All right. Now this declining phase is ending here, end of April. All right. So from where we are right now to about a week, more than a week. All right. So let's see, maybe it will chop around here, slowly go lower, and then another pump. And then the major issue is going to be here, end of May. That's the major period of risk. Okay. So looking for lower prices or maybe chop around here, and then a pump, and then again lower high, and then go lower. This is the best opportunity to buy the dip, which is coming end of May. Okay. So this is very probably you will get last opportunity to buy stock market bottom, and then we'll get a massive rally until end of this year. That's what my thinking is. All right, so let's do side by side comparison. Let's add MES chart on the right side. Here you go. And you can see, let's zoom in a bit on this chart. You can see very nice chart. You can see buy on green line, sell on red line, and then again you can see dump on red line here, which happened on Friday. And then again, and what we do, we buy on green line. And I told all my members to buy here. This is in the SPY zone. And I posted a video on how to read this chart a week ago, so you can go check. It's on my other videos. So you can see it came below. This is the 100% buy zone. Okay, it came below second and third. This is like no-brainer buy here. Should be buying here. All right, and now we got a pump. So everything is working out good. And S&P 500 is in a nice chop zone from like more than a couple of weeks. You can see all it's doing is sell from the red line, go to the buy line. Okay, then you buy in the green line, and then go to the sell line. Okay, so it's just chopping around. You can see again and again, even here, buy here, go here. Okay, again you can see here, buy here, go here. Same story again and again. All right, so it's a very nice profitable trades. Every day you can make easy 1 to 2% profits without doing any risk movements. Okay, so anyhow, where we are right now, it's in the middle, which is neutral zone. So let's do side by side in the neutral zone. You can take screenshots of this. You can pause my video, take screenshot of these levels for today. This is only for day trading. Sell on red, buy on green. All right. And by the way, guys, if you want to know more about these buy and sell zones, subscribe to my channel. There is a YouTube video link. There's an icon there, YouTube icon. You can click on it, subscribe to my channel. There's also a Discord link in the description of this video. You can join my Discord for free. Let me know your user ID and I will add you to members only group where I post these levels every few hours, and you can make very good decision. One trade can make you tons of money there. All right. Okay, on daily chart, this is live market. You can see we found support on this rising 50 EMA and SMA, this yellow and red line. If I zoom in, this is the support, all right? And if you can see when I move on the right, left side also cursor moves, all right? And vice versa. So you can see we were on this support line. That's where this support green lines are here. On the follow my cursor here, you can see we were on the support and now we are bouncing, and the resistance are starting to happen where this green line is coming, which is 10 moving average, and then white line, which is 20 moving average. Okay, so you can see on the left side also, you can see when I'm moving cursor on the right side, that's where the red lines are as well. So we're in the middle. So resistance on 10 moving average, support on 50 moving average. Okay, so let's see if it breaks out of one of these two. But if it goes above this green line, that's going to be a good short area. All right, so you can try to short here, and if it dips below the red line, look to buy here. All right, so I think it could be a chop around here as well today. Let's look at Nasdaq. MNQ, same story here. All right. Same thing, and Nasdaq and S&P 500 usually moves together. So same thing, it was in a buy zone, now going towards neutral zone, all right here. And you can see same thing, buying support on this red line, which is 50 moving average. 18,152, and then resistance is above 18,410, okay, which is this white line, all right. And you can take levels of screenshot here as well. So we're in the middle, we do nothing. We either wait for it to go to sell zone short or green zone to buy, all right. Tesla is down pre-market. They're announcing layoffs, 10%, which is good in my opinion. Low cost. I don't know why people are selling, but anyhow, it touched the buy zone this morning around 168. So you can see the levels. There's a gap around 165.72. Maybe they want to fill that gap before it bounces. So we'll see how it goes. UNH earnings tomorrow. Do what's best for you. Still in the buy zone. All right. And gold commodities. Gold massive decline after this news. This Russian attack, not Russia, sorry, Israel and Iran attack, dump, and then now in the neutral zone. All right, so we don't do anything. We buy below 2,335. Silver is also a rejection candle, again in the neutral zone here. Crude oil selling off. Very, very bullish move so far. Came to the buy zone this morning. Now going towards neutral zone, but it's very, very aggressive. Getting some divergences. You can see making new high, RSI is making a lower high. PPO is showing no lower high, but if I zoom in here, PPO, you have green line below red line, which is not a good signal if you are a bull. So it looks like it's going to be a little bit of downwards pressure on oil. Natural gas also selling off, going towards buy zone 1.89. My ideal target is to buy at 1.6986. I don't know if you're going to get that, but that's from here around 10% away. All right, we'll see if it reaches there. Dollar breaking out in the sell zone, but if I zoom out on this right side chart, you can see it's near resistance. Big resistance here came to support, and it bounces from support, and now it's near resistance. So you don't really want to do anything in resistance. I think it's going to sell off. If it sells off, then it's going to be good for stock market and crypto and gold. Bitcoin reached sell zone a couple of hours ago. Okay, it reached sell zone around 3 a.m. Again around 6 a.m. Now it's coming near neutral zone. One thing on BTC, this is let me add BTC. This is the okay. It already filled the gap. Let me zoom in. You can see this is CME futures. I released a couple of minutes video. You can see I was telling we had a gap down. We're gonna fill this gap, and they came and then they filled this gap. I can delete this now. Also here, there was a gap here, gap up, and they filled this gap this morning. So now there are no gaps to the upside, no gaps to the downside. So let's see. Again, if you're a bull, it should be holding this support. And let's see if it can now keep pumping. If it rejects here, the next target will be 47,890. But if it can go higher from here, all right, if it can bounce from here, you can take a target of, you can see this was a flag. You can see if this can move, and that can take you to around 87, 88K. All right, so keep that in mind. So just wanted to show you that. Here you go. And let's look at the live market, BTC. You can see there's downwards pressure still because green line is below red line. I really want to see green line above red line. All right, this is PPO. Until that happens, you got to be a bit careful on Bitcoin. All right, we'll see when that can happen. All right, so for now, near resistance. Ethereum. Ethereum, same thing, near resistance, near sell zone. And on Ethereum, green line is again below red line. You can see red line is here. So same thing here. A lot of downwards pressure on Ethereum as well, and then on ETH. On the right side, ETH chart. This gap around, let me go to 1 hour. I think it gapped down, and you can see it gapped down this morning, and they filled this gap, so you can delete this. And on Ethereum, the other gaps, again, if you get rejected here, it's below this 1050 EMA and 50 SMA. You get rejected. Next target is 3000, then 2808 and 2299. So a little bit of downward pressure on crypto, so we got to be a bit careful. Let's look at commodities. Copper in the sell zone, palladium in the going towards buy zone right now. All right, soybeans in the neutral zone, sugar cane going towards, it is in the buy zone. Nice buy here. Wheat is in the neutral zone. Corn is also in the neutral zone. Just look at big FANG stocks. Apple is down a little bit pre-market, not sure why. Could be some news here on Apple. Let's see. Your stock, Apple to lose top smartphone spot. Okay, Samsung is ahead. So anyhow, in the sell zone right now. Had a massive pump a couple of days ago on Thursday. Google also reaching sell zone. Netflix is in the going towards sell zone. Looks like Amazon is going towards gap fill 189, and Meta, Facebook, touch sell zone going towards 552.43 pre-market. Microsoft going towards 427.79 gap fill. Snowflakes is a little bit in the middle. Maybe it wants to fill this gap at 153. Let's see. NVDA is in the neutral zone. AVGO is also in the neutral zone, and AMD last one should be in the buy zone. Had a massive dump on Friday near buy zone, 161.65. There are two gaps here, 146 and 138. They might be going for that, so keep an eye on that. And last one, Shopify is also in the buy zone right now. And let's wrap it up with VIX. Here you go, massive pump. Let me hide these moving averages. Okay, so you can see higher lows. There's a gap around 21.25. Maybe that will fill in May. Let's see. But if it there's also a gap here, big gap around 13. If they crush VIX, that's going to be very bullish. That's crush going to be 20% down. Inversely, if it starts to pump from here, go above 29, 30%, that's going to be very bearish for stock market. Okay, so we got to be careful. It's in the middle. So let's see what VIX does. All depends on S&P 500, and already did the analysis on that. All right, guys, thank you. Please hit the like button on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow.